guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 11. Thank you guys again so much for all of the support during this COOKMAS so far. Really do appreciate it. Today's recipe, we're going to whip up something quick and tasty for dessert. We're going to make some peppermint Palmiers. Now, a Palmier is a French cookie that is very quick and easy to make. They have a delicate and flaky texture with a sweet, buttery taste. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and add some crushed peppermints on top. And this is going to give us a nice festive feel to the cookie. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you'll be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are the peppermint Palmiers. Again, this is a French cookie, And this was my take on the delicious pastry. It's a quick and easy way to make them. You don't have to add the peppermints if you don't want to. In this case, it adds a little bit more festiveness to the cookie, but they taste good without them. It's definitely a nice snack, and it looks like you put a lot more hard work into it than you really did. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this tasty little COOKMAS recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried these before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Bye guys.